Hey guys, I'm Elliott, this is Everything Elliott, and this is the willow tree that just won't die. This thing fell down during winter, during a big winter storm that we had, and in a previous video I had a wood chipper here where we chipped all the branches, and you can see that, well, we got some growing back now. Obviously I don't want to leave this tree laying down in my yard because, well, it's not really good looking yard art. And I apologize about the wind today. It is a little windy, but the plan for today is going to cut this into about, I don't know, 6-foot sections and hopefully use the pallet forks on my tractor to get rid of it. We're just going to put it in the burn pile. Willow is no good for firewood, so we're not going to use it for that. So I hope this gives you a better idea of how big this tree really is. And had a close call in one of my recent chainsaw videos. So I'm going to do something a little uncharacteristic of myself and throw on a pair of chaps. I find chaps to be very cumbersome, so I don't wear them super often, but I probably should. It also doesn't help that it's about, I believe it's 92 degrees today. So these chaps, we're going to get cutting and get these off because I don't want to overheat. I'm also going to wear my helmet. Not that I need a helmet for this job, but I'll strap my camera to it, and that's honestly the easiest way to get a helmet cam is to wear a helmet. Let's get this thing warming up. I think I'm going to start at the end and work my way down. I'm going to eventually just have to kind of stump this right about here. This is still stuck in the ground, so I'm going to need the excavator here to dig that out. So, but we'll get the majority of the tree out, I guess. Let's see if this old girl will fire up. I need to go get a wedge to pound a wedge in there. This needs to be organized. What a mess. Wedge. Here's the big wedge. That'll work. Should stop it from pinching. There we go. All right, there's one done. I think we'll cut on their section right here. This one is definitely going to be a double cut. It is way bigger than 28 inches, but we'll still get it done. All right, we might have to wait to finish that cut until I get this out of the way, which isn't a huge deal. Now this limb's a lot smaller, so we should be able to take bigger chunks out of it. I'm gonna start here, probably right at around the 8-10 foot mark. Tree's all cut. I'm gonna go get the tractor. I'm gonna leave the saw out in case there's something still connected, but I'm gonna get the tractor with the forks and we're gonna start moving these things. So you might be asking yourself, why am I using these here pallet forks instead of my grapple? Well, simplest answer, the grapple eats up too much of my lifting capacity and I don't know how heavy these are, so we're using the forks. Got the Baumelite MP360 on the rear for counterweight, and that should be plenty. All right, apparently that piece is not cut all the way through. All right, there's chunk number one. here's chunk number 2. I'm gonna go dump it in the same spot, and then I'll get all the little ones. I don't even know if you can see me. I'll get all the little ones, and then we'll fire the cameras back up for the big boys. Well, guys and gals, this is where the Willow is going to live for the next probably 2 months. Probably, what is it, June? Probably 3 months. If you're wondering why I dumped it in the middle of the field, this is actually a spot where I do like a burn pit. I pile all my brush right here from the entire year, and then at the end of summer, we have a big party and we have a big bonfire. So this will be the start of it, and we'll just keep adding to it, you know, brush that I cut and stuff. So it'll be a good base for a fire. That is a huge item off the chore list. I've been waiting since winter for the ground to dry up enough to do that. And the camera is actually about in the same spot that we started this video. So if you remember what that willow looked like, I mean, I'm sure you do. It was probably only 10 minutes ago. Man, am I glad to get this thing cleaned up. Obviously, I still have some handwork to do. Throw the bucket on the tractor and clean some of this mess up, but it's 95 degrees. Probably gonna do that tonight when the sun starts going down because it's way too hot. There's a lot of flies around here. I don't know why. A lot of flies. Well, we got the willow cleaned up. Thanks for watching, guys. It's almost too hot for me. It's almost too hot. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, and have a great day.